Good morning and welcome to Paul T's World. And in this video we're going to have a look at the garden in late April. April is such a fantastic time of the year. All the plants are absolutely bursting out of the ground and many are flowering, the lovely spring plants. Here we are in the back garden and the lilac is already flowering. Right next to the spirea, that's the bridal wreath. Just going over now. My magnolia has a lovely colour. It flowers early but not for very long, and it always seems to have those petals all curved over as if there's been a high wind, which there hasn't recently. All the marsh marigolds are out round the pond. And just looking over to the shed bed, we've got the apple tree in blossom. Dogwood with its gorgeous fresh greens, and it's starting to flower. I'm finding the shed bed quite exciting this year, and one of the reasons is I'm not quite sure exactly what's going to come up and how tall. Let's just have a look. We'll just gently walk past the bowl. That's the water bowl for the hedgehog. Hedgehog likes a nice feed and a drink every night. Creeping phlox has really grown up this year. Look at that. Talking of phlox, here are the main phlox. Now what's exciting for me this year about this bed is the echinacea that flowered and seeded last year. I gave them a little shake. I encouraged them to self-seed, and I've really not quite sure if some of these are weeds or something of interest, and so I'm going to see as they grow. Obviously those are echinacea and rudbeckia. Now take a look at this. Do you remember the Zorro hydrangea from last year with the lovely gorgeous blue flowers? Well, because I want these prairie plants like the echinacea to grow tall, I decided to actually cut right back the Zorro hydrangea, this lace cap. Just look how much I've cut it back. But it's really responded because it was growing so large here. It was shading this bed. Oh, the sun has just started to come out. We've had all those weeks of glorious sunshine, and then this last few days we've had beautiful rain. Just been fantastic. In fact, it was raining this morning and now it's stopped. And so I thought I would just come out and do a quick video because everything is growing so beautifully and so well. I featured the Doronicums the other video. Ever since I split them, they've started to flower straight away. And let's just go over and have a look at this shed bed. Here we are. I've done a little bit of work on it, but not a lot. Some phlox here. I've left the phlox right here because I saw last year they grew through this hydrangea phantom. the paniculata, and the contrast of the flowers looked really nice. So I thought I would leave them there to do it again this summer. Now this rain has really brought on the brunnera. Just look at that. We've got one there and one just past there. Oh, and we've also got a bramble just down there. Oh, the honesty, the white honesty is coming along. Now, one thing I decided to do last week, I decided to get rid of all the forget-me-nots. I'm a little bit concerned of how invasive they are. And I then thought to myself, just look at these brunnera. Quick spin round to the brunnera. Now, they really are just like forget-me-nots, but they are not invasive. So I've decided to split the brunnera and not have any forget-me-nots. Yeah, so I'm quite pleased with the shed bed, even though I haven't done a lot with it. Look at the griselinia at the back. The hedge that I planted, ooh, how many years ago was it now? 2 or 3, maybe 4. It's coming along nicely. Want it to grow up even higher. Oh, the other thing I've got here is I planted a rowan. Oh, I do like rowan. So we've got a little rowan here because I decided that if we had a rowan here, it would grow and, if you like, disguise the garage roof, next door's garage roof a little bit, and also would create some shade. Not much shade, because rowans don't provide a lot of shade. But for some of the plants underneath here, like the rhododendrons and the hydrangea, well, they will enjoy a little bit of shade. Foxgloves have enjoyed the rain, and look at the epimedium. We saw that in the last video, but now just look at those leaves. With the berberis behind. And the, let's see if I can remember the name. The, oh, what is the name? That toad flax, isn't it? Is it ivy leaf toad flax? The sun's out now. It's in my eyes. I'm going to go for a coffee, give the video a like, and I'll see you next time in Paul T's World. Bye.